So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to search on Google using Python. So let's go. So the first guys you're going to do is to search on Google. I don't know why you would want to search on Google using Python. So this is something I want to do. You probably can. So let's search for PyPy. I'm going to search for a library called Google Search. As you guys can see right here in Google Search, I'm going to enter search. So this is going to be the library that we're going to be installing today. So with this library, you can search on Google using Python. So we're going to copy this and we're going to open up a new prompted library to just paste the command. So you guys will need to have Python installed on your computer. You guys can check out my video that I did on how to install Python on Windows.
Coincidence? I think not.
So let's install this library. So after the library was installed, we're just gonna go to a new Python file. I'm gonna from Google and we're gonna write from Google Search. We're gonna import search. And then we're gonna write a while loop because this is what we need. So we're gonna read the input from the user, enter your query. I cannot type right now. So I'm gonna convert this to a string just to be sure. And we're gonna do print for result in search. And we're gonna pass the query. I'm gonna pass the number of results.
Sometimes foreshadowing is relatively obvious.
And we're gonna print the result, okay? So it's pretty easy. We are here, so let's see. Okay, let's see, coding, and num results not defined. Okay, num result equals 5. Okay, let's go. And coding, just press enter, and there you go. Let's search for Python, and here we go, the results. So yeah, so this is how pretty much. Let's see if we can go above 5 results. Let's try 25. Let's go deep learning class. We were able to get 25 results. So this is pretty much it. I know that this is pretty much a very quick tutorial, but you know, guys, I want to go just to the code itself. Yeah. So this is how you can search on Google in Python using Python. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys soon. Peace out.